Assalamualaikum and good evening. Today, my team and I, which consists of Intan Nurul Fatihah, Nur Alfa Fatihah, Ain Nur Naziha, Nur Marisha Yasmin, and me myself, Nabil Rizwan, will be presenting our group project on Nadir Resources Accounting System. Our presentation will start with the introduction of the project, followed by the background of the company, followed by the evaluation, recommendation, investors, and ending with the conclusion. Starting with the introduction, for this project, our group had done an interview on Nadir Resources owner to collect information to evaluate their existing accounting system, give recommendation on ways to improve the accounting system, and discuss the probability of us investing in the company. Moving on with the background of the company, Nadir Resources is a company started by the owner who is also the sole proprietor in early 2020. Before starting the company, the owner had endeavored in multiple businesses before starting and entered the market with an abundance of experience. He started the company as he was confident in his ability to manage and run a business and has dreams of expanding his business further. The company is a small retail business which sells goods and provides services. Nadir Resources has a store located at V4 UTP, and the store sells a variety of items from daily necessities, such as writing utensils, to food products such as bread and snacks, and has a main target customer of students living on the campus of UTP. The store receives an average of 500 customers daily and has 5 employees working to accommodate these customers. The company also profits from around 3 to 4,000 ringgit monthly. Next, Marisha Yasmin will be presenting on the evaluation of the company accounting system.
Hello, my name is Marisha Yasmin and I will be present the evaluation of Nadir Resources accounting system. Nadir Resources is a single proprietor business entity and has used combination accounting system. The challenge of using this type of accounting system is outdated accounting software technology. It is easily overlooked within a business. The worst case scenario is losing all of the data in system crash or experiencing cybersecurity breaches that expose confidential financial information, both of which have grave repercussions. One of the risks that can give harm to the accounting system is compromised security. Outdated systems that are cumbersome and slow can cause security issues. Its age and lack of vendor or company support ensure that there will unavoidably be a problem. Next is unable to meet legal and regulatory compliance. It is crucial to follow regulations to make sure that business data is stored safely and securely, as auditors have the authority to find businesses that use out-of-date or unsupported software. Continuing to use legacy systems in the company may be illegal and have expensive repercussions. Disadvantage of using combination accounting system is data entry errors. In a manual system, double entry accounting is time consuming because each transaction must be manually recorded twice. A double entry method is used by many accounting programs, but the second entry is generated automatically. This does away with discrepancies between the first and second entries, but it will not prevent someone from entering the wrong number. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, now I'm going to present on recommendations. The first recommendation for the issue that faced by Nadir Resource is that Nadir Resource should prepare a complete accounting worksheet to summarize all the information of the business. The flow of the accounting system could be tracked effectively by recording all the data in worksheet. By doing this, the owner of the business could proceed to prepare a financial statement. Financial statement would help Nadir Resource to provide integrated information about the financial position and cash flow of the business and the result of operations. While the balance sheet in the financial statement displays the conditions of business operation, which could help the owner to track clearly the flow of the business. Next recommendation, Nadir Resource should consider to invest on upgrading accounting system software. This is to avoid errors in preparing the accounting system so that all the data automatically recorded in the system efficiently. Furthermore, Nadir Resource should choose to use fully automated accounting system in the management. All the manual systems should be transferred to an automatic system in order to integrate all the info recorded, since there is a high high percentage common errors occur in manual accounting. It would provide Nadir resource with greater data accuracy and improve compliance with internal and external procedure and regulation. Besides, Nadir resource is not hiring any accountant to check on their business. The accountant may be not important if the business managed to upgrade the accounting system software, since all the data related to the accounting is managed by the software. However, the owner of Nadir resource should consider on gaining more knowledge on managing the accounting system software and the audit of business. This is to make sure that the flow of the accounting in business is perfect. Also, this is to prevent any fraud from occurring in the system. Not only that, it would help the owner of Nadir resource to make sure that any issue or mistake in the accounting system and software could be overcome by the owner at early stage.
Hello, I am Ayana Jiha. Before answering the question whether should we invest or not in Nadir resources, we have to look at these 4 criteria. First, the management of the company. Investors frequently decide to make an investment in a firm because they had a track record of a management team with a history of success. Nadir Resources had just started their business 2 years ago, which means they are still new. So, to convince the investors, they need to have a good financial record as a backup. Second, financial records. Investors should comprehend the financial standing of a firm before start an investment. With the available information there, investors can effectively spot intriguing prospects while avoiding unnecessary risks. However, Nadir Resources did not disclose their financial statement to us, so we cannot make the analysis. Third, the competitive advantage that the business is going to tackle. The prospect of a company's future competitive advantage serves as justification for an investment in that company, and what distinguishes Nadir Resources from its competitors are the competitive advantage that they had. Fourth, the analysis of the market. It measures the market's quality and quantity. In this case, it will be easier for Nadir Resources to cater their limited market, which is the students' interest, in order to increase the demand and the profit. So, as an investor, we will not invest in Nadir Resources for the time being because they have to improve a lot of things first before they can let people invest in their company.
For the conclusion, since Nadir Resource is not hiring any accountant to do the accounting system, upgrading the accounting software will be a great investment for the business. The owner of Nadir Resource should consider on gaining more knowledge to manage the accounting system software and the auditing of business to make sure the perfect flow of accounting in business. The balance sheets in the financial statement allows reader to understand the information and assess the company liquidity, financing and debt situation by displaying the state of business activity as of the budget listing date. An excellent investment for the company would be to upgrade the accounting software, as Nadir Resources does not employ an accountant to handle the accounting system. It is anticipated that Nadir Resources accounting software has to be updated as it assists in identifying problems and assists in tracking the financial status of the company. To ensure the flawless operation of accounting in business, Nadir Resource owner should think about obtaining additional expertise to manage the accounting system software and the audits of the company. That's all from us. Thank you.